Lighting your house with candles. Lighting your house with candles. Deep frying a frozen turkey. Deep frying a frozen turkey. Lighting a big, roaring, unattended fire. Lighting a big, roaring, unattended fire. Ingesting holly berries. Ingesting holly berries. Overstressing about everything. Wolfing down your holiday dinner. Using old faulty Christmas lights. Using old faulty Christmas lights. Forgetting something in the oven. Unsafe sledding. Unsafe sledding.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.